you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the manifestation box and the Mother Earth wrap club to show you by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so December's manifestation box and December's Mother Earth wrap club just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, if you've been following me, you know I'm absolutely loving her jewelry. It's all just absolutely beautiful. You can wear it doing anything and everything, showering, yogaing, doing whatever. You don't have to worry about them. At first I was a little afraid, and she's like, nope, you can just rest assured everything will be perfectly fine. And ever since then, I don't take them off when I'm washing my hands, doing anything like that. They just stay on. They're absolutely amazing, and they're so, so beautiful. This box was voted #1 for a reason, let me tell you. Let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what the December box brings. I'm so, so excited to see what crystal stone is going to be inside. So when you get the box, it looks like this. It's super, super pretty manifestation box. It's nice and blue on the back side, and it says manifest the life you want to live. Remember that. Manifest the life you want to live. Ready to manifest your dreams? Yes. When you open this one up, oh, how cute! For the holiday season, how cute! And it says Tracy. Then, oh, so I'm so excited about that. When we open this up, you have your card on top. You have the, this one you get the necklace. You get a bracelet and a small little gift, which should all be inside of here. You get 2 different manifestation cards, one for you to keep, one for you to gift. Smile at each other. Make time for each other in your family. Yes, always make time. So again, you have 2 of those. You can gift one and keep one. And then you have the paper for this month, what we're going to be practicing and going over. And it says the importance of ceremony. All right, so then you have this whole entire thing right here that you can sit down and read. Also with this one, you do tell them your sign. So you do get the astrology. I get Scorpio because that's what I am. And I love being able just to go through and read my astrology for the entire month. So this is custom for you. You also get to tell them the wrist size and I believe the necklace size. So this really is custom for you. Also, you do have some cards down in here, which will go over their information. Here's one for Gogh Jewelry, thanking you for your purchase. This one here says receive a large selenite heart with orders $125 or more, which is a $45 value. It does show some more of their collection. Again, everything is just so beautiful. You can shop their shop individually. You do not have to have a subscription to do so. If you wanted to, I've purchased things on there for myself. I even purchased something for my mom. I got an amethyst wrap for her. She loves it. It looks so cute on her. But you can definitely purchase anything individually without having a subscription, and SheCrafty will get you that 20% off. And yeah, so right here we'll go over basically the subscription box, ready to manifest your dreams. Now let's go ahead and go with the necklace, and then we'll see what the bracelet is. I believe the necklace will be in here. Yeah, ooh, there's a lot of cards in here too. All right, so we have 2 different cards. One of them is for Ocean Jasper, and then we have another type of jasper. I will let you see the first word. I don't want to butcher that whatsoever. And I absolutely love these cards that they do give with it. It's so, so user-friendly. I can pretty much read every word on it. It has a really nice picture, so if you have any question, you can have this to reference to know what it is. And then it tells you about the actual stone as well. So for the Ocean Jasper, in keeping with its symbolism, Ocean Jasper is said to provide calm, uplifting energy to the holder in trying times. The stone aids clear communication and enhances self-confidence as well as self-insight. It eliminates any negative feelings weighing on the heart, directing them upward to the throat chakra to be expelled verbally. So again, that's the Ocean Jasper. And this other Jasper is very supportive during times of stress. It assists when we are feeling overwhelmed helping to remain calm and focused. It inspires bravery and helps us to take action with unpleasant tasks, while giving us the confidence to achieve goals. This jasper is a dynamic stone that utilizes courage and strength with love and guidance. That is so neat. So again, those are the two. And then when you open up the necklace, ooh, so this one here would be that one jasper that I'm not sure what the name of it was. Here's an ocean jasper, and then here is a black stone right there. Is that onyx? I'm not sure. Maybe it's on the bracelet. Sometimes the card will be with the bracelet because they'll have the same crystals on them. So there is that. And that is so pretty. And I like how it just hangs with the one big one in the middle. And then you have the two that are the same size that hang out both sides. But that is super, super pretty. Let's get her on. And I love that it is a silver chain. Mainly they are silver. Every now and then you might get like a rose gold or like a gold tone, but it's mainly like silver is what they use, and that's my favorite. So that's the only thing that I wear. So I'm so glad. And then there is that. That is super, super pretty. Oh my gosh, I love those colors together. So again, there's the two cards. You have the necklace, and then down inside this reusable bag, you can always reuse them for anything. Here we will find, ooh, here are the cards. Okay, yes, it is onyx. So this one is like all onyx. Ooh. And then you have the two different jasper. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And I love that it matches it exactly. So here's the card for the onyx, which is that black one right there as well. Onyx helps to have self-control and anchors one's flighty energy into a more stable way of life. It is the stone of inner strength and endurance. This is all onyx, and then it has those two that were on the necklace are right here. I like that. And just a little pop of color right there in the front. That is super, super pretty. And I absolutely love that it matches this perfectly. Look at that. That is so cute. Now, the little gift that you get in here is a heart. And this is the Baba whatever jasper. It is known as the supreme nurturer and is said to have one of the gentlest yet most persistent comforting vibrations of any stone. It also helps to integrate all of the desperate parts of us that make us human: mind, body, and spirit. So there's that. Again, that is for this one right here, which that's so cool that like they're all like different types of jasper. That is so neat. So, oh, on this side, oh, look at how pretty that side is with the little color variations on that side. Super, super pretty. Oh my gosh. So that is everything that came in the manifestation box. You have the forecast of your astrology to read, plus what we're working with. You have the manifestation cards, you have the necklace, the bracelet, and the heart. Okay, you guys, so now let's go ahead and dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. That will be down inside of here. So when we pull this one out, let's get everything out of it. So for this one, you do get the wrap bracelet, and then it comes with one small little gift. It could be a little crystal, a little stone. It could be a little thing of like aromatherapy, oils, essential oils, like a little roll-on or something like that. So you never know. It's just a cute little gift that you get with the bracelet. And I like that she does add something, so it's not just the bracelet. You get a little extra touch as well. So for this one, it will all be down in this one box. You also do have your cards, magical holiday season. Look at how gorgeous she is. And this right here says, Tracy, I hope this wrap helps you get excited about the holiday season and spending time with loved ones. Aw, I just love this time of year in general. Here is a card that goes over the wrap jewelry. Look at how gorgeous that is. They are just super, super pretty. I love both the wrap and the regular bracelet. All of her jewelry is just so, so beautiful, and just so much work and dedication it comes into like all of her designs. So I absolutely love them. Let's go ahead and get into here. So when we open this one up, oh, we're gonna have a lot of cards right on top, and oh, I see the free gift in here, and that's a big one. And it is a selenite. So I'll go ahead and grab that first. It is a selenite heart, and look at how big that is. Selenite is one of the most important tools in any energy worker or crystal lover's arsenal. Through clearing energy blockages, selenite allows for liquid-like energy fluidity. Its extremely high vibrations flood your energy filled with the highest vibrations of light. So there is the free gift, and again, that is huge. Sometimes we've gotten one of the small little hearts, but I haven't gotten anything this big in the wrap club. That's awesome. And then the wrap for this month is, oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Is this all of those same crystals in here, the same stones? Let's see, we got all of our cards right here. So we have onyx. So yes, okay, so onyx is right here hanging. It has the ball. Let me get some of these little fuzzies off from the little packages it was in, these. And you can also wear these as a necklace if you would like. You can wear them as an anklet if you would like. So this, if you have it on your wrist and you wanted to wear it for a necklace that day, you can do either one you want. I've taken them off my wrist and put them around my neck, or I'll wear them as a necklace. Just, you have that luxury, you can do either one. So here is all of the different, let me kind of get it a little bit together for you so you can see them all together. That is just so pretty with all the different colors. So again, you have the onyx, which is that one hanging. And then you have that same jasper, and then you have jade. So these two are what's mixed throughout the entire wrap. And then you have the onyx that is hanging. This is just gorgeous. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. So here is the manifestation box bracelet, and then here is the Mother Earth Wrap Club wrap bracelet. And I love that they match, because even if you got both of them, you would have something that matched, but they won't be the exact same. So that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club for December. What did you guys think of each one? What do you think of the stones that she used this month? I am loving them. Oh my gosh, I am so loving all of these colors. I don't have anything like that, so I'm super excited. Oh my gosh. So if you would like a little bit more information about this company, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off the online shop, individual items, or the subscription boxes. So whichever one, SheCrafty will get you that 20% off. This monthly subscription box is for everybody who wants to manifest living happy and was born of the desire to spread positivity and aid conscious living. Ready to manifest your dreams? You get to select your plan. So for the manifestation box, if you did month per month, it's $39 per month. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34. And if you want to go to the full year prepaid plan, it brings it down to $33 per box. And don't forget, if you do want to go to that full entire year, right now they have a deal where you get the entire advent calendar, which is a $475 value, absolutely free. Absolutely free. And that is amazing because there's crystals, there's jewelry, there's all kinds of goodies in that, and that is amazing. So if you want to go to a 12-month plan to save money, you will get that free advent calendar, limited time quantities while it lasts. So keep that in mind. Each monthly practice has a theme, what we're working on, and contains a personalized gemstone bracelet, necklace, a healing crystal, 2 manifestation cards, one for you to keep and one for you to gift, and your astrology forecast for the month. So again, all of that is all included in that box. If you want to do the Mother Earth Wrap Club, month per month, it's $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months brings it down to $34, and 12-month plan will bring that down to $33 per month. And again, you will get the wrap bracelet for the month and one little free item that would come along with it in that box. So that is everything that I have to say and show for these 2 amazing boxes, you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.